Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nostalgia Twitch, your blunt tarot reader, and today we will see what you need to know right now. And why do you need to know? Like, why do you need to know? You already know few things, and you already know what is going on. Then, what is the problem with you, huh? I'm just joking. I'm just joking. What does my viewers need to do? Okay, so how do I say this? This is pile number one. This is pile number two. Choose any. Pile number one, pile number two. Okay. So the people who have chosen pile number one, this is your reading. Let's start with this first. Okay. What does the people who chose pile number one needs to know right now? You are indecisive about something. You are not being able to take a decision about something, and the guidance that is coming for you all is that take that decision, take that damn decision, because that damn decision will help you. You are trying to move away from something, but something is keeping you down. Something is telling you that don't go there, don't move away, don't move on from me, or something like that situation is coming. You're trying to choose, you are not being able to focus. Okay, you're trying to choose, you're trying to think what is best for me, what is not. Or maybe you're overthinking a lot, maybe you're overanalyzing situations and things like that. The guidance for you is that if you try to look at the whole bunch of a grocery store, you would want to buy each and everything because all of the things are tasty, delicious, but do you really need them? So the guidance for you is that you have a lot of mindset right now, a lot of thoughts right now, but a lot of people right now. Okay, but you need a lot of decision right now. But you need to know that what decision is best for you right now. What decision will help you in your future? What decision is the best thing for you? Okay, you need to know that, right? This is the guidance that is coming for you. So now we will see pile number two. Okay. So the people who have chosen this particular thing, this is your reading. Okay. Okay. What does the people who chose pile number two needs to know, spirit guides? What does the people who chose pile number two needs to know? Why do I feel that you need to put on your glasses and see from a clear vision? Remove your rose tinted glasses and see from clear vision. Okay. Because you're not letting go of something. Mm, recently you have been hurt by someone from whom you did not expect at all. Recently you have been hurt by someone who who just broke your heart. Okay, if in short, who just broke your heart completely. So you have been broken by that person, and now you're trying to figure out how to deal with that, how to live with that pain. Okay, how to be healthy with that pain and things like that. Okay, you're trying to live. Okay, but with the ten of swords in, it's like even if you leave, even when you are leaving this particular place, you are moving from a desert place to a much greener area of your life. That means you are leaving from a state of lack mindset to a state of fulfillment mindset. So that's really good for you. What else do you need to know? The people who chose file number two. Okay. Protect your heart, but do not protect it that much that it will not let anybody enter in your life. Protect your heart. Protect your heart from the wrong people. But you need to analyze who are the good people, right? Pile 1 and pile two's messages are somewhat similar, so you can just watch the pile 1 as well. Okay, what else? The last guidance for them. The guidance for them. Okay. The guidance for you is that commitment, stability, fulfillment, prosperity are coming in your life. Do not worry for that. Um, the thing that you're moving on, you need to maintain a positive mindset. You are maintaining a positive mindset. Keep that positive mindset ongoing. And that's the message for you. Something positive is really coming in your way. So, bye, guys. And you can always book your reading from me if you want to. Okay. You can always book your reading. I'm always available. So, do follow. Okay. I'm the blunt tarot reader. So, just do follow. What else does it takes? Okay, just follow it. Okay, bye bye.